Hi and welcome to TCFX. After publication of your research, your published paper should be visible so fellow researchers can find your paper, read it, and then cite it. Therefore, we should ask ourselves the following question. How can we make our paper visible and accessible to researchers? There are quite a number of tools in our research toolbox to assist the researcher in increasing the visibility of their publications. There are quite a number of tools in our research toolbox to assist the researcher in increasing the visibility of their publications. So, please click on the Research Toolbox link and wait for the mind map. Whilst waiting for the mind map, we should note that increasing the versions of our given paper, which means depositing our research paper in many different platforms, is one effective way to increase the visibility of our research paper. As you can see, many tools are available to the researcher for this purpose, but again we will focus on one in this short session. Let's click on option 4 and use Google Scholar. We enter a researcher's name, in this example Mark Mellitz, and we can see all the papers he has published, and under each title we can see how many versions of each paper he has deposited. 48 for the first paper, 26 for the second, and so on and so forth. We can also view the citations as well. He has written good papers, but more effectively has increased the credibility of his publication by depositing his research in many platforms. Using a second tool to further investigate the example, which will be Google Academic Search, we can enter the name of any given researcher, such as the mentioned researcher in this example, and we will see that this researcher has a lot of influence in his field of study. Every researcher must create their own profile similarly, and we will explain how to do this in the full course offered here about dissemination of research papers. Okay, that's a wrap. Thanks for listening to this brief synopsis about the dissemination of research papers. We look forward to seeing you again in the near future.